Alright guys, we've got the blinky on, so that means it needs a Descale, like just a minor one, so we're going to do that. Just fill this up with water, make sure this tray is empty, have your cleaning tablets, change that out for the small one, put that in there, and then we'll go through the settings. Use a shitty knife and I get this guy out. Over. You want the single wall, pop that in, then that guy goes in there. And then you get a tablet. Appetising little things. I think we've got a lifetime supply here. The juice there. Alright, so we've got all that ready. You want to turn the power off. Alright guys, I think I've got it nailed. So put this guy in here like that. Hold all these in at the same time. And it's doing its thing. And it'll cycle through that. Fucking scary. It's like building up heaps of pressure, but I think that's the process and it should stop. There we go. So just make sure that doesn't overflow. Alright guys, that was about a minute and it's kicked back on again. Frankenstein's alive, so 5 minutes. And check if the tablet's dissolved after 5, and then if it's still not dissolved, then go it again. Alright guys, I think that's the 3rd cycle. Just making a cup of tea. How about this ADHD thing anyway, but you know. And this is about the 4th cycle. Still doing its thing. And I just missed it, but it beeped. So I imagine that's saying, I'm done, brother. So let's check it. Still a bit of tablet in there, so we'll just go another cycle. So that's turn off. And then all in. It should be doing its thing. There you go. Scary, man. That's like a valve gonna bust, you know. And for about 5 minutes. Rinse and repeat, and we'll do the extra little bits and pieces. Oh. Alright, I've done it. So I've done it twice, so that's going to be good enough. Give this a rinse here. Get the crap out. That should do it, donkey. And then just whack the hot water through it. Wow. It's going, isn't it? Yeah, we're done, or is it time out? I don't know. I'm just going to cycle a tank through this because I'm OCD. Right, that's pretty much Bob's your uncle, so that's all washed out. One thing that I mention is like, it gets all pretty gunky in here as well, so it's worth doing. There's a little, I don't know if you can see it any good, but there's a little bit in there. You push that in with a knife, and then, you know, there's all crud that builds in there, so we'll clean that up. I'll show you. In your little kit, you should have a little Allen key. Probably turn it off, and then I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bolt in here. Probably let it cool down. It's probably a good idea, but whatever. It's all guidelines, so don't lose that. And then it's hot. We'll take this reservoir off. That's not a good idea, there's water in here. So we'll get rid of this shit. Good thinking. A little bit backwards. And try and get this seal off. There we go, Sonny. Alright. Alright, that's the seal. So all that shit's pretty dirty, so we'll give it all a good clean. and that's the extra step I go to. So we're just using good old morning fresh, and just cleaning all this stuff here. Some of it won't come off because it's stained in, so we use some of this Descale for when you do the full clean. We'll use some of that shit, and it should clean them up looking pretty smicko. Yeah, highly technical stuff. Oh, look at that, mate. And that's all I reckon you need to do, is what I did just before. And I don't know if that's bloody enough, to be honest. Should get a bit of a birthday. I don't know how often it comes up on, but it seems to come up at the most annoying time. And that's the story of my life. And that you will lose down the drain. You know, be careful. It's a dangerous world. Alright, so we'll rinse this shit off. Expert cleaning, guys. Expert cleaning. And alrighty, that's all there. Oh, forgot this guy. Whoops. It's the Descale that you usually put in the tank and run through the machine. We're just gonna put a bit in here with some hot water and then just let everything soak for a bit. It's bloody stinky stuff. I don't know how good it is for you. Oh, that's probably enough. Oh, yeah, I mean, this brand here, it should be alright for you. But yeah, big warning sign. So yeah, we've got the shit in there, the hot water, soak all the parts that need soaking. And come on. And I don't know if you guys can see in here, but you get all the coffee build up. And just getting a bit of a chucks in there and just cleaning up as best I can. And yeah, you can see all the residue and shit in there. Sort of just do that while the water head, the shower head they call it, I think, is out. So I'll just give it a bit of a clean in here as well, because my house is not the most airtight and I get bugs and all sorts of stuff in here, so you know, it's part of the fun. But we'll just give this everything a good clean once in a while. Usually I do this on the big Descale, but I've been lazy. I don't run the filter in this guy anymore because I run filtered water, and this machine's been repaired once by me and it's still going hard after God knows how many years, probably 5 years, maybe longer, I don't know. So you clean them and you look after them, yeah, they go alright. So I've had all this shit soaking, and we'll give it all a rinse and a bit of a scrub with some dishwashing liquid, and then that should be it. Don't forget that little Allen key guy. Oh, playing with fire here, mister. Where'd you go? There we go. Don't lose that guy. Probably cost more than the whole coffee machine. There we go. Alright. Probably not good for the sink, but you know, we've read the instructions. Should be a-okay. Alrighty. Rinse, and then I think it's acid. It's probably melting me. And just give it a bit of a clean with dishwashing liquid. And that should be it. Maybe one more rinse through the machine, but that's the extra steps that I go just to have it not taste like ass. Alright. And probably best to get your parents involved with this, or like an adult that is you know, responsible, because probably use too much soap too. Ooh. Fucking way too much soap, man. And then everything goes back in reverse, so just remember that. Not leaving you hanging all up. So that clicks in there. We use this filter basket because we're not weak as piss. And then we put that guy on there. Like that. That one goes away. That goes in the machine. Alright, let's do it. So as far as I know, that goes like that. Probably can't see, but it's pretty easy, even for me. And then that goes in the buenas noches. That should stay there, and then get your little Allen key and screw that up there, my guys. Oh, nearly there. That's that. Alright, we're just going to plug that in, turn it on, and then just get this guy. Once it's heated up, we'll just run a little bit of hot water through it, and I'm ready to go back into action. Minus the light. Yeah, boy. Alright, just going to raw dog some hot water through it. Just to make sure all the soap and crap's out of it. And then we'll just do one through the lawn, one through the little sprayer jobby, and then that will call it a day, I'd say. So that's good enough. Bit of hot water through that. And then a little bit through that guy. Alright, probably need a rag or something, but yeah, that'll do it.